Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create a Ton wallet on Telegram. Now for us to get this done, let's go ahead and click the search bar or search icon here at the top, and we're going to go ahead and look for WalletBot, this one right here. Now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and tap the wallet button down here, and then we should be seeing something like this. Now let's go ahead and click more assets, and then we're going to go ahead and click Toncoin. Now from this point forward, we are going to go ahead and tap the receive button. And then you have here verification. So let's go ahead and check this one, and we are going to go ahead and verify ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by sharing my phone number. And yep, here is my information. I'm just going to go ahead and type this one real quick. There you go. Now after typing it, I'm going to go ahead and tap the send button. Alright, now after doing so, we're going to go ahead and tap the receive button right here, and then we're going to go ahead and click got it. Now we have here our Toncoin address already. We can just go ahead and copy this one right here. And yep, congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to create a Ton wallet on your Telegram.